Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Marie Angelique Vanilla. My age is 25 years old. My marital status is single with one child. My highest educational attainment is high school graduate. I work as a household helper in the Philippines for 2 years and 3 months. I served one couple with two children, ages 10 and 5 years old. My duties are cleaning, cooking, ironing, doing laundry, and taking care of the children. The most important thing in taking care of baby are feed the baby, check the diaper if it's wet. The most important thing in taking care of the child are feed the child, monitor the child when he or she is playing. I can sing nursery rhyme like twinkle, twinkle, little star, like a diamond in the sky. My special skills are elderly care, driving, can cook Filipino food, welder, and gardening. The advantage of my future employer if they will hire me are I am trustworthy, easy learn, hardworking. I will respect and obey you as my employer. Thank you, mom, sir.